If you're looking for a quick and efficient way to manage CISA vulnerability alerts, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Tenable to stay ahead of potential security risks in your organization. Make sure to stick around to the end, as I'll be sharing an exclusive bonus on how you can get Tenable for free with a special extended trial. Tenable is a powerful vulnerability management tool that helps organizations quickly assess and respond to vulnerabilities, including the ones highlighted by the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA. This means that using Tenable, you can automatically track vulnerabilities across your system and patch them before they cause serious damage. Next, let's dive into how Tenable can integrate with CISA vulnerability alerts. When you get a CISA vulnerability alert, Tenable will automatically pull this data into your dashboard. It analyzes the information and presents it in a way that makes it easier for you to prioritize and mitigate potential threats. The first thing you'll want to do is link Tenable to your CISA alerts. Once you've done that, you'll get real-time updates directly from CISA, all fed into your Tenable account. This means you'll always know exactly which vulnerabilities need immediate attention without having to manually check multiple sources for updates. Next thing you need to know is how Tenable helps you categorize vulnerabilities. Tenable breaks down vulnerabilities by severity, giving you a clear overview of which issues pose the highest risk to your network and which can be dealt with later. It also highlights which vulnerabilities are actively being exploited, helping you prioritize those immediately. The fourth thing is vulnerability scanning. With Tenable, you can scan your entire network and systems for potential vulnerabilities. The software will flag any that match the CISA alerts, letting you know if your infrastructure is at risk. From there, you can create a patch management plan to address the vulnerabilities promptly. Next, let's talk about reporting. Tenable automatically generates comprehensive reports on the vulnerabilities, their risk levels, and remediation suggestions. This makes it easy for you to stay compliant with industry standards and regulations, including CISA's guidelines. The sixth thing is Tenable's predictive capabilities. Based on historical data, Tenable can help predict where vulnerabilities are most likely to occur, giving you a proactive approach to patching and security management. By combining this with CISA's alerts, you can stay one step ahead of potential attacks. The last thing I want to mention is how Tenable integrates with other security tools in your organization. This integration helps streamline the vulnerability management process by feeding data from other security solutions directly into Tenable. It allows you to create a unified security system that is both efficient and responsive. So, there you have it, how to use Tenable to stay on top of CISA vulnerability alerts and protect your systems. Don't forget, you can start using Tenable for free with an exclusive extended trial through the first link in the description below. That's a huge bonus you don't want to miss out on. Make sure to act fast, as this offer won't last forever. Stay secure, and thanks for watching.